Today Steve will show you how to make a delicious homemade recipe for Mexican tacos. Full recipe in the comments. Follow for more. Let's go. For the beef filling, in a large skillet, heat some oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook until they become translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds, until fragrant. Add the ground beef and break it up with a spatula. Cook until browned, breaking it up into small pieces as it cooks. Drain excess fat from the skillet. Stir in the chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Add the tomato sauce and beef broth, or water. Simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens. For the taco assembly, warm the tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave them for about 20 seconds. To assemble each taco, place a spoonful of the beef filling in the center of a tortilla. Top with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheese. Add a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. If you like it spicy, add salsa or hot sauce to taste. Serve the tacos with lime wedges for squeezing over the top. Enjoy your homemade Mexican tacos. Feel free to customize with your favorite toppings and adjust the spice level to your preference.